Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got $600 worth of candy. Just gonna take this box and eat it. No. Okay, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna find everything inside, but you guys have been loving the unique flavors of our ham and chocolate bars. So we've gotten rave reviews about it. It's got really unique stuff, and so we're restocking some of that, and we ordered some new stuff. So let's find out what we got. Alrighty, let's find out what kind of candy bars we have this time. You'll be able to find each and every kind on hookedonpickin.com right now. So just go run over there to the snacks and candy section and see what you can find. What are these? Ooh, these are not candy bars. At least I don't think they are. What are these? Ooh. Cinnamon drops. Ham and cinnamon drops.
We've had cinnamon drops before.
We have.
Yep.
I think so, yeah.
We sold them all on a fire sale once.
We did. These are awesome. Perfect. All right. What else we got here? Oh, these are sour balls.
Yep. Had those. We sold them together.
Yes, cherry, lemon, and orange lip puckering goodness. All right, what else we got? We have licorice. Handmade in small batches. So, licorice. Ham and licorice.
How many people like licorice though?
Everybody likes licorice.
Everybody likes licorice?
Everyone likes licorice. Just some people don't like black licorice. This is just regular licorice. All right. Those are cool.
So you're telling me everybody loves...
Everyone loves licorice. All right. In the comment section below, tell me if you don't like licorice.
I don't like licorice.
Paul doesn't like licorice.
I guess I'm okay with strawberry licorice.
Like the Twizzlers kind or something?
Okay with it.
I bet Hammond's tastes much better than Twizzlers.
Oh, I bet.
In Michigan, my parents eat the Vines licorice because they have a hole in the middle and you can actually stick it in a soda and drink with the licorice stick. How fun is that? All right, what's in here? 2 boxes. Boxes, more boxes. More boxes. All right, that's all we're doing. No, we're going to actually see what's in here. All right. What is in this box?
They boxed them in a box.
These are really pretty boxes, too.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad that I'm impressed by boxes these days. I feel like I do enough packaging in my life.
Yeah.
Boxes are so pretty. Okay, ooh, this is something new. Vanilla bean marshmallows. Those look amazing. Handmade indulgent snacks. I want to rip this bag open and eat it.
Bean marshmallows.
I love all things vanilla. Yes. All right. Vanilla bean marshmallows. What's in this one? Okay, opening the next one. Ready? Toasted coconut marshmallows. Yeah, these would be Lexi's fave.
I guess they're like marshmallows that are coated with something.
Yeah.
Right then?
Yeah, it looks like it.
That is
Toasted coconut and vanilla bean. I love that. That's awesome. I'm going to leave these here because the bags are so pretty. All right. Well, the ham and chocolate bars are fantastic. All the other ham and treats we've had are fantastic. So here's a couple of new ones. So you can find them on hookedonpickin.com. Now this box, let's see. It was really the heaviest of all the boxes.
It almost didn't make it.
Yeah. The box looked like one section on the bottom side was untaped. Is this all our chocolate bars? Oh, it is. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what they look like because I love the wrapping on all of these. The actual like packaging is so fun. There's the birthday cake.
Yeah, we were out of birthday cake.
Yep, those are really fun. Trying to cut my hand off. Hold on. Nobody wants Heather all over their candy bar. All right. What's this one? This one is PB&J sandwich.
I think I only have one left of that.
That is my favorite name for one because I'm like, who thinks of a
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich candy bar.
I know, who thinks of that?
Get a whole meal in a candy bar.
Right. Just send a candy bar for lunch with your kids.
That's right.
It's a PB&J.
They had a PB&J sandwich.
Right.
Time up.
Yeah. This one is peanut butter cup. Yum. Who's hungry, guys?
You got the dark chocolate, too.
Yes.
Little dark chocolate. This is dark chocolate, white chocolate.
That one I think is
Milk
milk chocolate. Yeah. What kind is this one? This one is Seaside Caramel Milk Chocolate with sea salt.
They already smell good, don't
Oh my word, you can smell them. They're amazing. When we ship them inside poly bags so that if their box is sitting on the porch, an animal doesn't smell them. So we seal them.
Had hardly any orders where somebody's just bought one.
Yeah.
Usually buying 2 to 5.
Is that new? No, that's a s'mores.
Bar.
Milk chocolate with marshmallow and graham.
Mm-hmm. I think we have some new candy bars coming.
Okay.
Or in this order.
Is it in this order?
Should be.
Okay.
I just don't know when they'll be.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get this one open. This one's being fussy. All right. This one is key lime pie.
Key lime pie, we were out of that one.
Yep, that was a popular one.
Look at that. Pretty packaging.
I love the packaging.
Smells like key lime pie.
Does it? Are you a key lime pie fan? I like key lime pie.
Only 180 calories per serving.
All right.
Serving size is a half a bar.
Here you go.
You got a whole meal right here.
Yeah.
And it's key lime pie.
Just
That's
open
awesome.
this one. Cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
That's always a fan favorite.
Everybody loves cookie dough. That's what we should do. We should open up a chocolate factory.
Really?
We should open a candy store.
Paul really wants to open a candy
I wanna
store.
open a candy
In
store.
his retirement, he's going to open a candy store.
What I'm going to do.
All right, here is Banana Crunch milk chocolate with banana chips.
Call it, I don't know, heavenly chocolate.
Sweets for your sweets.
Sweets for your sweets. Something. Figure something out. Hooked on Pickin chocolate.
Hooked on Pickin chocolate. Midnight snack
that's
milk
a new
chocolate with pretzel, cookie brittle, and marshmallow and cereal.
That's awesome.
That's amazing. He wants to eat that right now.
That's a new one. We haven't
That
had
is
that
a new one. We'll be adding that under the Hammond's
Literally
chocolate
midnight
bars.
snack. It's probably 5,000 calories, which is good. You need that.
How many calories is
There's
it?
only 300 calories in this candy bar.
Really?
Wonderful.
That's shocking.
You eat this candy bar, you
Oh.
feel good.
There's a favorite, Soda Pop. That
Yeah.
has the little popping candies in it.
That is awesome.
Oh, here's mint chocolate chip. I can get the plastic off. Hold on. It looks so colorful. Like this looks like Christmas right here.
Yeah, it does.
This is like the never-ending box of chocolate
We've
bars.
got mint chocolate chip, and we've got popcorn.
Mint chocolate. Yeah, we've got
Yeah.
mint chocolate popcorn.
You could theme it up.
You could. And the mint chocolate popcorn is green, kind of mint green color.
Yeah.
What kind is this? This is salted almond, dark chocolate with sea salt and almonds. All right. What is this one? Is this a new one?
Coconut cream pie.
Coconut cream pie. I think that might be new.
This one before? We may not have coconut cream pie.
I think that's a new one.
It's got shredded coconut in it.
Yeah, I think that's new.
Wonderful.
Lemon meringue.
I think this is good.
Yeah, white chocolate with lemon meringue. Because the white chocolate, I guess, is going to represent the,
That's kind of cool.
yeah, and I guess the white chocolate kind of mimics the cream. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Chicken and waffles.
What are we doing?
Well, it's your southern roots,
Chicken
Paul.
and waffles, milk chocolate with maple syrup. 15,000 calories.
Nope.
Nice.
Chicken and waffles.
The whole meal.
That's an amazing one. Oh, here's the red velvet cake. That one I think we're almost sold out of.
Red velvet.
I'm a red velvet fan.
I like cheesecake. Boy, they have a cheesecake candy bar.
Oh yeah, cheesecake.
Cheesecake candy bar would be good. Carrot cake candy bar. I can see that.
Yep. Okay, what's this one? This one is seaside caramel with dark chocolate. So we have a milk chocolate and dark chocolate. One more box left. This is the last box. What will it be? Will it be your favorite flavor? So it's under, if you go to Hooked on Pickin' and you go to snacks and candy section, it's under Hammond's chocolate bars.
Yep.
There's your pecan pie.
Oh.
Bourbon pecan pie.
Yeah. We've got a lot of pies.
We do have a lot of pies.
Pumpkin pie candy bar.
Well, we'll have to call Hammond and tell him to make it.
That might be weird. One more box to go.
Move all the candy bars over. Look at this massive pile of candy bars. It's amazing, isn't it? All right, one more box in this unboxing. No, these are the pretty boxes. So we got some new candies. Pull that one up, but it wasn't going to let me. All right. This is, oh my word, chocolate chip marshmallows.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
I want to bake some cookies with these in them.
I
I mean, I don't know how that would work, but
those are awesome.
These are just like you literally just take them out and eat them.
Yeah.
Don't show our kids any of these.
Now we have popcorn, we have candy bars, we have chips.
We have regular candies like Tootsie Pops and Lollipops and stuff.
Candies. I should just buy every candy under the sun.
Well, if Paul had his way, he would buy every candy.
Every
Every candy. All right, ready? What is this one? Oh my word. Birthday cake marshmallows. So we have a birthday cake candy bar, we have birthday cake marshmallows, and we have birthday cake popcorn.
So good.
Do we sell the birthday cake popcorn? I think we do. Yeah,
we have.
So if you are having a birthday, Hooked on Pickin' is the place to go for your snacks. That's amazing. All right, we're going to go ahead and price everything and show you in just a minute on Hooked on Pickin'. Okay, everybody, we've got everything on Hooked on Pickin'. So where are we going to find that? Go straight to hookedonpickin.com. Go to the shop drop-down menu. Snacks and candy are right here, there. Or you can scroll down and find the snacks and candy here. So we're going to click on the snacks and candy option. We've got 2 pages of fun snacks and candy, so make sure you scroll through all of the 2 pages and see what all the fun things are. But we have various different varieties of each of the 2 pages. So what do we have on there? We have new flavors of the Hammond's Gourmet Chocolate Candy Bars. They are 2.25 ounce. They have many different flavors. And so we have restocked everything. So what flavors do we have? We've got key lime pie, white chocolate, banana crunch milk chocolate, seaside caramel dark chocolate, peanut butter and jelly sandwich milk chocolate, seaside caramel milk chocolate, red velvet cake milk chocolate, cookie dough milk chocolate, more s'mores milk chocolate, peanut butter cup dark chocolate, malted milk shake milk chocolate, bourbon pecan pie milk chocolate, salted dark chocolate, salted almond dark chocolate, coconut cream pie milk chocolate, soda pop milk chocolate, mint chocolate chip dark chocolate, birthday cake white chocolate, and here are our new ones. We've got chicken and waffles milk chocolate, lemon meringue white chocolate, and midnight snack milk chocolate. And all of them have really fun designs on each one of the candy bars, so it's a fun variety. So check those out. They are under the Hammond's Gourmet Chocolate Candy Bars. And so we have those new ones. And then we have our Hammond's Handmade Marshmallow Snacks, 4-ounce bags, various different flavors. And so you get to pick your flavor. $4.99 for these. Marshmallow vanilla bean. We have marshmallow double chocolate chip, marshmallow toasted coconut, and marshmallow birthday cake. And they come in these fun color bags. And so check those out. They're little handmade snacks that you can just munch on. $4.99 a piece for those bags. Then we have our newest candy grab-and-go bag, 4 ounces, $3.99 for that. And it is Hammond's Candy's Licorice Drops grab-and-go bag. Then we have restocked our Hammond's Candy Drops Cinnamon grab-and-go bag for $3.99, and our Hammond's Candy Drops Natural Sour Balls assorted grab-and-go bag, $3.99. So those are all really fun. So you're going to go to the snacks and candy section and be able to find all of these different flavors of items. So here's your Hammond's grab-and-go bags. Here's your marshmallow treats, and here's your candy bars. And then don't forget, we've got still some brand new flavors in our Bell's Gourmet Popcorn, and we've got some new flavors in our Carolina Kettle Chips, as well as still Candy Club, Jelly Bellies, all that fun stuff, as well as little individual things that you can get at really discounted prices. So check out our snacks and candy category on hookedonpickin.com, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.